So what is this big number? What is this number going to be equal to?
421 billion.
Billion?
Would maybe
400.
421 trillion.
Okay, 421 trillion. Okay, keep going.
653 billion.
653 billion. Okay.
879 879 million.
879 million. Okay.
And 12,000.
12,000. Yes.
354.
354. Absolutely correct. So how you do this is you start from the right hand side. This is 354 at the end, 12,000, 879 million, 653 billion, and 421 trillion. This is thousand, this is million, this is billion, this is trillion. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me what is this number?
Is that
You always start from the right hand side.
70 trillion?
70 trillion. That's what he's saying.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see. So last three digits are for this thing. Okay, then we have, this is 0,000, right? 0,000, 0. And this is for million. So this is 0 million, 0,000 and 0. This is for billion. So this number is actually 7 billion. Got it? Okay. Just tell me, say stop somewhere.
Stop.
What is this number?
So for 30 trillion? 3 trillion?
Sure. Can you check that again, please?
Sure. Yes.
30? Okay. Let me color them. So last three are for 0, right? Then we have the next three for 1,000. So these three. So this is 0,000 and 0. Okay. Let's color the other three. So this is actually 0 million. 0 million, 0,000. Okay. Let's also color the next three. This is 0 billion. 0 billion, 0 million, 0,000, 0. And this one is for trillion. So this is 3 trillion. Got it? Okay, another one?
Sure.
Just say a number, any one number, one digit.
5.
Okay. Now you can say stop anytime.
Stop.
So last, let me just write it down for you. So last three digits are for hundreds. The next three digits are for thousands. Next three digits are for million. Next three digits are for billion. Next three are for trillion.
50 trillion.
50 trillion, right? So this is 0, 100, 0,000, 0 million, 0 billion, and 50 trillion. So that's how you write 50 trillion. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to change the pattern of the question. So what I was doing right now was I was writing the number and you were telling me what the number is. Now what I'm going to do is I will ask you to write number. Can you write 23 billion for me? Can you write how much is 23 billion? You may write it on your notebook and then you can just tell me. I will write it on the screen here. Can you write 23 billion?
I'm done.
Okay. Can you tell me 23 with how many zeros?
So 23, 3 zeros,
Okay.
another 3 zero,
Okay.
another 3 zero,
Okay.
another 3 zero,
Okay.
another 3 zero.
Oh my God. Are you sure? So many zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 15 zeros. You sure about it?
Maybe I can one of them.
Okay. Can you just figure out how much this number is equal to? Just look at this number and tell me what is this number equal to?
Oh, this is trillion.
This is not even trillion. This is zillion. Look at it. This is for 100, right? This is 1,000. This is million. How much is this? Billion.
Billion,
How much is this? Trillion.
trillion.
How much is this? Zillion. This number is 23 zillion. I want to write 23 billion. Can you help me write 23 billion? So how can I write 23 billion?
So maybe so 3 zeros,
Okay.
another 3 zero,
Okay.
another 3 zero,
Okay.
and then another one.
All right. Can you just look at this and tell me what this number is equal to?
So 0, 100,
Yeah.
0,000,
Okay.
0 million, and 0 billion.
Okay.
And then that's trillion again.
That's 23 trillion. Okay. I'll just take it off for you once again. Can you tell me what is 23 billion equal to?
Okay.
Yeah.
23.
Okay. Let me write with a different pencil this time. 23. Okay.
3 zeros.
3 zeros. Okay.
3 zeros.
3 zeros.
Another 3 zeros.
Another 3 zeros. And then?
Okay, this might be it.
That's it. Absolutely correct. This is 0, 100, 0,000,
uh,
0,000,000
100,
and 23 billions. You got it now. So basically now you are in a position where you can also write big numbers. And now is the time to do homework because you did not do it by yourself. We are going to do it now. So what the homework was, so you have all these different countries and we have different population for all these countries. What you need to do is you need to arrange these countries in the order of increasing population. So first you have to
so
write the name of the country which has the least population. Then next country which has greater population, greater population, greater population. In the end, you will have to write that country which has the maximum population. So how can we do this?